Have you ever wondered why your gas fireplace or gas insert or stove doesn't look as good as it used to? Well, a byproduct of combustion is that over the course of a year, you're going to get a white film that'll build up on the inside of the glass. And you have to take the glass panel off and you have to clean it. The way you do that is there are some compression fittings that they're either going to be screws or snaps or, in this case, pull tabs that hold on the glass front of the fireplace. Those need to be released. The door needs to be lifted up and removed. And then you need to clean the inside of the glass. Now the way to do that is to use gas stove glass cleaner. The only other thing that works is oven cleaner, and that's dangerous, and that could also damage the gasketing on your stove. So this stuff costs $6.63, for example. It's a paste. You put the paste on a rag. You wipe it onto the glass, let it dry, and you buff it off. So it's simple to do, but it's important. If you don't clean the glass on your gas fireplace, it'll actually begin over time to etch the glass and you'll never be able to clean it. So if it starts to get dirty, you should clean it, but it should be at least once a year.